Mooey Booey is taking over! Mooey Booey! Mooey Booey! Mooey Booey! Ah! Oh, Mooey Booey! Oh my goodness. Okay, it is time for today's word ladder. And we will start with a four-letter word, and it is an animal that hops. And it lives in a swamp. Okay, let's see. The vowel is O. It says ah. Okay, you got it. If you said frog, you are correct. Let's tap it. Elbows up and go. Frog. F-R-A-G. Frog. Nice job. Okay, next word. We're going to take away these letters and add one to the beginning. And this is a slow, steady run. I went for a blank in the park. What word could that mean? A slow run. It is a jog. Yes, jog. What letter will go here? J, j. A jog. Yes, good job. Let's tap this word. Ready, set, go. Jog. J-A-G. Jog. Nice job. Okay, next we're going to change the vowel, and it is something that holds a liquid, like milk. A blank of milk. A jug of milk. Jug. What says Yes, it is a short U sound. Jug. Elbows up and tap. J-a-g. Jug. A jug of milk. What kind of syllable is this? We have one vowel and it's closed in. This is a closed syllable. Nice job. Okay, we are going to change the first letter, and it means to pull something. Pull something. This word is tug. Tug means to pull. I am tugging on my shirt. Can you think of a sentence with the word tug? Yes, very good. And what letter will go right here? Tug. That's right, a T. Good. Let's tap the word tug. Ready? Go. T-a-g. Tug. Yes, very good. What word means the opposite of tugging? So a synonym would be pull. Pull and tug mean the same. What word means the opposite? An antonym for the word tug. I know. How about push? Push is the opposite of tug. Push. All right, good work. Okay, now we're going to change the vowel, and it means the price of something. No, I'm sorry. A sticker that shows the price of something. So if you go to the store and you find something you want to buy, you might want to look on the g. Try a vowel. Let's try a apple. T-a-g. Yes, the tag tells you the price. Let's tap. Ready? Go. T-a-g. Tag. Yes, very good. Okay, let's change the last letter. And this means a tiny bit of something. Like I just want a blank of salt on my rice. Just yes, just a tad. What letter will go there? T, a, d. Yes, a D. Just a tad. Good job. Let's tap. Ready? Go. Tad. T, a, d. Tad. Good. Okay, last one. We're going to add a vowel after the first letter. We will make a vowel team here. And this is an animal that hops that looks like a bumpy frog. What looks like a frog? Oh, frog and toad. How can we make this say O? Yes, we add an O. O, a boat, O. Toad. Let's tap. Ready, set, go. Toad. T-o-d. Toad. Great job. We went from frog to toad. Good job. That is our word ladder for today. See you tomorrow.